हेलो हाई नमस्ते तपाईँ हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ द चुलो रेसिपी। आजको रेसिपी तपाईँहरूलाई लिएर आएको छु गोलभेडाको अचार टोमेटोको चटनी। For chutney, tomato chutney, we need to burn the tomato in the fire, and garlic also we have to burn in the fire. After that, we make ready other things like chop onion, coriander, chili, like that. So we have tomato, coriander, chop onion, chili, garlic. Also we grill or burn. So chili going first in the blender, then we put coriander, then we put yes garlic, then we're going to put salt, some pepper, okay, and tomato, last tomato. If you want to add some, you can add some water, otherwise no need. So just blend it. That's it, no need to do anything. It's very easy. And this chutney or in Nepali we call achar, very nice. Or if you say in like English, maybe you can say sauce with you eat with rice or some other chicken or something like this. Chutney, this achar is very delicious Nepali style. Yes, poleko golbheda achar is Nepali style. If you like this recipe, please subscribe our channel. The Chulo recipe will bring more recipe for you. Simple and easy step. Thank you for all our viewers. Thank you so much.